I just got back from school and I walked in and I just saw tools on the table and I was like, okay, that's home, I guess. So I did that. Now I see a mantle. Now we're gonna put it up and that's gonna be fun, right? Here, that's gonna be great. The project I'll tell you about. So this is my handy dandy drill. Where's the extra battery? Okay, and this is my measuring tape, screw bit, drill hole screw bit, and another one, guide hole, and level, my stop and finder. How long are these?
2.5 inches.
2.5 inch screws, 4 of them, and 2 anchors. Here's the mounting wood that I'm going to need to put on the wall. The reason why I need to drill the guide holes is because the screw could split it. Okay, I cleared off the work area. Now, people think that a whole house is made out of wood, but that can be true, but sometimes, no, not our house. Okay, so right now, since this is a hard work, I have my sister and my brother, she was in the cooking video. And I told you, yeah. Okay, so this is gonna be difficult because I'm gonna need to drill this into the wall. This got a little bit. Oh. That's good. Dad, can you give me an impact wrench? That's not gonna work. Here, hold on.
Good.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I don't know what I'm doing right now.
Look at
in the middle.
No, go the other way.
Perfect.
Okay. Okay.
Here we go. Now got my guide holes. Got my guide holes in. Now I need to put these anchors. As you can see, they're a little bit wider. Let these things in.
Okay.
So I need one of these attachments. Put this in, okay? Let's get another anchor. Man.
Easy taps. Taps. Easy taps.
That was an easy tap. Go. Okay. So right here, you see it goes in. My fingers are going inside, right? Over here is the same thing. You know what that means? That hangs. And let's try it.
Now pause.
Oh, I can't lift it high.
Okay. Hands lift up. Seriously, hands. Get on that side. Lift up.
What?
Turn around.
Turn around and walk on.
So,
Oh my gosh. Ah, there's a
Easy money.
Okay, is it on?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, let's see. This should be dead center.
Easy money.
Hey! Okay, so now, as you can see, there's so many stockings up. Here we got our stockings up, our tree. Guys, thanks for watching, and that'll wrap up the video for